Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I got something in the mail today. Let's see what it is. What is it? What is it? Ooh, look at here. That is pretty. Guess what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna put this on my Philodo H8. Anyways, here's what it looks like when it comes all together here. They include a socket that fits it. 20 of them in a box here, and they're made out of aluminum, and you can put those on your car, but I'm gonna put them on my bike. Let's take a look at this. Here's the problem with Philodo. They don't have a quick release on the front, and you can't get a socket on here because it hits here, and you can barely get an open end wrench on it to open it, and you have to move it around and try to get in the right position. But I'm thinking if I put these on there, it will make it long enough. I'm thinking it'll make it long enough so I can get on it, and it'll look nice too. So let's go ahead and do this. See, there's not much room, so I can't get it on there. I can get it on here just a little bit. I'm gonna be getting that wheel off and on all the time. I want it to be easy. I can only get on it right there. See how that is? So let's see what happens here. Boy, this weighs not even as much as this one does. See, now I can get on it. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. And there they are. You get 20 of them with a socket set. I mean, with a tool to take them off. Yeah, that's what they look like on the bike. So if you wanted to know what size to get or anything, I'll leave a link down below. And now, when I go to take the front wheel off to get it in my van, it'll be easy to get back on. Well, that's that. Goodbye, good luck, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.